Hi guys, this is Mark Shawzin, the pattern trader here, and over the past couple of years we've seen some enormous speculative excesses spill over, most notably in stocks. We've seen an enormous run-up in stocks, also bonds and real estate. But in commodities we've seen a fairly muted response. For the past 5 years, gold has been trading sideways in a trading range between $1,200 and $1,400. Also in crude oil, we've been trading between $45 and $60. So I do think that over the next couple of years, there's going to be an enormous opportunity, a catch-up, if you will. In fact, commodities are historically undervalued in relation to stocks. And so on top of the fundamental picture, I also see some emerging technicals that support what could be an explosion in the prices of gold and oil. So again, I think that we've seen a lag in these commodity related groups that could soon start to be corrected. I am seeing some technical price patterns in gold, most notably a double bottom at the 1,050 price level in 2016. And since we made that double bottom, we've been incrementally moving higher over the last couple of years, albeit at a snail's pace. Every time we hit the 1360, 1380, gold seems to be rebuffed, but I do believe that increasingly this just represents a consolidation, and actually the more it consolidates between 1320 and 1360, I think the healthier it's going to be. I think the more explosive the price action is going to be once we break out of this. Also similarly for crude oil, I see a long-term inverted head and shoulders price pattern, and we're sitting right at the cusp of the neckline. That is simply a line that is drawn throughout this 5-year inverted head and shoulders price pattern. We're sitting right at the $65 price level in light crude oil, and I do believe that over time, over the short time, we're going to see a flurry of price activity above 1360 in XAU USD, which is spot gold, and above $65 in crude oil. So again, the theme of today's message is that I think we've seen commodity items lag the explosion, the speculative excesses that we've seen in stocks, bonds, and real estate, and that we are now going to see a catch-up. And any price activity above 1360 in XAU USD and $65 in light crude oil is likely going to be followed by a huge explosion to the upside, as I do believe that the gap between stocks and commodities will narrow. So stay tuned. I think this is going to be a running theme. I said this from the beginning of the year that there was a huge opportunity in gold, and now we're sitting at or near the highs. So I'm going to be watching this closely, and I'll keep you posted. All right, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.